Good afternoon. Now we are discussing the informed search algorithm in artificial intelligence. Now we have when we are using the informed search algorithm, large switch phase and this algorithm using the heuristic function. So it's called is the heuristic search. That is called is the heuristic search. That means is the informed search algorithm in artificial intelligence. That means is the when you are using this algorithm, large search space and this algorithm uses the heuristic function, and so it is called is the heuristic search. Next one. Now, heuristic stage. What is the meaning of the heuristic stage? What is the meaning of the heuristic stage? Heuristic means is the which is used to in informed search, which is used to the informed search, and it is find the most promising path, and it is finds the most promising path, and takes the current state of the agent, and takes the current state of the agent as it is an input, and produce the estimation of the how close agent is from the goal. That is the heuristic. Heuristic means is a heuristic is a function which is used to in informed search, and it is find the most promising path, and it is finds the most promising path. It takes the current state of the agent. It takes the current state of the agent, and it is the input, and produce the estimations, and produce the estimation of how the close agent is the from the goal. That is the heuristic. And next one, how do they calculate the heuristic function? How do they calculate the value in heuristic function? Here the h of n greater than is equal h star of n. That means is the estimated cost. That means is the estimated cost. Here h of n is the heuristic cost. Here is the h of n is the heuristic cost. Next one, h star of n is the estimated cost. That means is the estimated cost. Here the heuristic cost should be less than or equal to the estimated cost. Hence the heuristic cost should be less than or equal to the estimated cost. That is the calculation process of the heuristic function. And the next one. Here the pure heuristic search is the simplest form of the heuristic algorithm. That means is the heuristic search is the simplest form of the heuristic algorithm. That means it expand the nodes, on their heuristic value. That means the value of n. That means it is maintain the two list. It maintains the two list. And first one is the open, and second one is the closed list. Now, in the closed list, it places those nodes. It places those nodes which have already expanded. Those nodes already expanded, and in the open list it is placed nodes which have be expanded. Next one, in on each iteration, each node n with the lowest heuristic value. Here the each iteration, each node n, that means the n with the lowest heuristic value expanded and generate the all the successors. Generate the all the successor, and n is placed to the closest list. N is placed to the closest list. The algorithm continued. This algorithm continued until and your continued goal is stated is found. That is the pure heuristic the information. And the next one, here are two algorithms. Here we are mentioning the two algorithms, best for search, and next one is a star search algorithm. That means the greedy search. Here we are implementing the two algorithm. Now we are in the first one is the best for search, and next one is the a star search algorithm. That means next one, what is the best for search algorithm in artificial intelligence? This best for search algorithm chose the best path. Best for search algorithm shows the best path. It is the combination of the depth for search, and breadth for search algorithm. That is the best for search is the chose the best path. It is the combination of depth for search and breadth for search algorithms. Now, here it is the heuristic function. Now, here it is use the heuristic function and search. Breadth for search plus depth for search is the equal to breadth for search. Here the breadth for search plus depth for search is the equal to the best for search. That means is the two algorithm advantages. Is the best for search algorithm advantages, depth for search algorithm advantages. That is the best for search algorithm. That means what is the equation of the best for search algorithm artificial intelligence? Here the f of n is equal to g of n. Is the f of n is equal to the g of n, where that means is the where n is equal estimated cost from the node, estimated cost from the node n to the goal, node from the goal. Here the greedy first search is algorithm is implemented by the priority queues. The main important point of this algorithm, the greedy best for search algorithm is implemented by the priority queues, implemented by the priority queues. And next one, what are the steps of the best for search? What are the steps of the best for search? Now, in the best for search here, what are the steps of the best for search? First step is the place the starting node into the open list. First step is the best for search algorithm following the different types of these steps. First one is place the starting node into the open list, and second step is the if the open list empty, then stop and return the failure. And third step is the remove the node n. Third step is the remove the node n from the open list, which has the lowest value of h of n, which is the lowest value of the h of n, and places it the closest list, and places it the closest list. That means is the third step. And step 4 is the expand the node and generate the successor of the node. Expand the node and generate the successor of the node n. And next one, step 5 is the check each successor of node n and find whatever whether any node is the goal node or not. Whether any node is the goal node or not. If any successor node is the goal node, in case any successor node is the goal node, then return the success and terminate the search, and else process to the step 6. Next one is the step 6. For each successor node in this algorithm, checks for the evaluation of f of n, and then check if the node has been either open or closed list. If the node has not been both list, then add it to the open list. And step 5 return to the next one is the step 7 return to the next, go to the steps 2. Next one, what are the advantages of the best for search algorithm in artificial intelligence? The first advantage is the best for search can switch between the BFS and DFS. That means by gaining the advantages of both algorithms, this algorithm more efficient. This algorithm is the more efficient than BFS and DFS algorithms. That is the second advantage in the best for search algorithm. And next one, what are the main disadvantages in the best for search algorithm artificial intelligence? Here it can behave unguided depth for search in the worst case scenario. It can behave you as an unguided depth for search in the worst case scenario. That means is the next second advantage is that it can get stuck on loop as a depth for search. This algorithm is not optimal. The best for search is not a optimal algorithm. Next one. That is a informed search algorithm using the heuristic function calculate, heuristic function, and the next one is a heuristic function calculate, and next one is a using the heuristic function, the simplest form algorithm, how to define the using the to maintain list open and closed list. In the closed list, it is a place the nodes which have already expanded, and is open list places the node which have not been expanded. And each iteration, each node with the lowest heuristic value is expanded and generate all successor, and it is placed in the closed list. The algorithm continued until the goal is formed. This is the best for search. Here are two algorithms, best for search and A star algorithms. The first is the best for search algorithm. F of n is equal to g of n, where n is equal to estimated cost from the node to the goal node. The greedy best first algorithm is implemented by the priority case. Implemented by the priority case. Either there are 6-7 steps is the best first search algorithm in artificial intelligence. Then next one.